by those solar panels. It's like hovering above. You know what? Hold on. Oh shit! Whoa! It's like teleporting. It's like that. That's yeah. Is it a? Do you see Air Force thing?
All right, nocturnal news. You see this disc-shaped craft come into frame. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, guys, look. Here's what happened. Now, I don't know what to do with the video. I've been duped. I've been fooled. I think I've been tricked. Okay, someone recommended this video to me. Now, let me tell you, let's go back to last night when I started making the video. I'm so focused on the UFO and is it real? I'm missing all the other obvious details that leads me to believe it is fake, okay? And I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm like, wow, this is really cool. You know, Mr. Professional UFO Hunter worked on a UFO video for 2 hours before he realized it was a fake. And I'll tell you what I noticed if you haven't already noticed it. So, anyway, so last night I'm doing my editing. You know, just going through the motions, right? I'm making the videos to bring to you guys like I always do. And here's one thing. Let me say one thing before I forget. I'm just so blown away by this. I'm always going to be honest with you guys. You know, I would never put out any clickbait bullshit ever. You know, even if I find out a video I made in the past was debunked, I try to at least mention it, you know, on the YouTube channel, if not Twitter or Facebook, wherever, you know. So the goal isn't to bring you clickbait. The goal is to get to the truth about UFOs. The goal is to bring you compelling evidence. The goal is to bring you the best of the best that is available, you know, the best that I can do. So you see the craft right there, guys, right? And what I noticed was I'm watching the video, and this was today. The way I make my videos, right? I do all the video first, okay? Then I do the audio, the part you're hearing now. I do that last. But look at that wing. Look at that wing right there. That does not look real to me. And how I missed that, because guys, I worked on this video for about an hour and a half. But again, I'm so laser focused on the craft, and is it real or is it fake? Is it a reflection? Is it CGI? I didn't even pay attention to the wing. Okay, and at the end of the video, I'll show you a close-up of the wing. It looks like something out of frickin', you know, Star Trek. Look at that. I mean, look, I'm not going to say names, okay? We have a couple of pilots that, you know, watch the channel on a regular basis. Maybe you can tell me, maybe someone out there knows aircraft better than I do, commercial aircraft. But I think what they did, okay, the girl took a picture, you know, with her finger on the window, like she's pointing at something, or she just, you know, made the audio while on the plane, perhaps. I don't know. Then they added the CGI out of the plane window, is what I believe they did. And the fake looking wing is a dead giveaway. But in my defense, the original video, the wing is kind of far away. You're looking at, you know, this is like 100 times zoom right now. Because, you know, here's what these hoaxers, they don't count on. They don't count on people like me being able to zoom in on that shit, okay? And bust them, and that's what we've done here. I think who knows, guys? I mean, you guys are the ultimate decider. You are the judge, jury, and executioner. But hey, don't kill the messenger, okay? I'm only the messenger, right? But very disappointing, incredibly disappointed. You know, I was really excited to bring you the video, and then I saw that fake ass looking wing right there. And that, I mean, I've never seen a jet engine like that. It looks like something out of a cartoon. You know what I mean? So, and again, I didn't notice it because, you know, the original video didn't look like this. You know, you guys don't understand the editing process that goes into it. You know, so, and that's why I wanted to show a little clip at the opening, you know, so you could have a good look at it. Man, I mean, look, it's so hard to tell what is real and what is fake anymore. It really is. I mean, I think we do a pretty good job on the channel, but this is a prime example of how a UFO channel can make an honest mistake. You know, because I was about to post the video as a real UFO video. But here we go. Look at that wing. You guys tell me, real or fake?